In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute people on Discord, whether you're joining a study group, jumping into gaming sessions, or even participating in work meetings. Discord has become the go-to platform for digital communication. However, like any social setting, sometimes you need a little peace and quiet, or maybe someone's background noise is just a tad too distracting. That's where muting comes into play, ensuring your digital environment stays just the way you like it. Let's start this journey from the very beginning. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Discord's homepage. Here you'll be greeted with the option to log in. This is your gateway to digital tranquility, so go ahead and click on that inviting login button located centrally on the page. Once you've clicked, you'll need to enter your email. This is the email address you used to create your Discord account, so make sure you type it in correctly. Mistyping here is like fumbling your keys at the door. It's a small hassle that can easily be avoided. Following the email, the next step requires you to enter your password. Remember, your password is the key to your digital house, so keep it both complex for security and memorable for convenience. After typing in your password, you'll find yourself hovering over the login button. Give it a click and voila, you're in. The boundaries of Discord await. Now you've entered the realm of Discord, a vast expanse of servers and conversations. It's easy to feel like a kid in a candy store, but remember, we've come here on a mission. You'll find yourself on the Discord homepage, and from here it's time to locate the individual you're seeking to mute. Perhaps it's someone whose microphone picks up everything except what it should, or maybe it's just temporary tranquility you seek. Whichever the case, locate their name on your server list or within the chat. A right click on their name will open up a menu filled with options. This is your toolbox for customization, but we're here for one tool in particular. Look closely and you'll find the mute option nestled amongst the choices. It's a quiet little feature that packs a big punch in maintaining your auditory peace. Selecting mute is like turning their volume knob all the way down. They'll remain active and participative, but on your end it's as if they've taken a vow of silence. It's important to note, should you wish to hear their dulcet tones again, reversing the process is as simple as returning to this menu and unmuting them. A few extra tips to remember. Muting someone is a preference set on your end, and it doesn't affect their ability to communicate with others in the server. Also, if you're the server administrator, consider if setting up specific quiet zones or channels might be a more diplomatic approach for handling widespread noise concerns. Remember, the goal of using mute isn't to isolate or ignore someone indefinitely. It's about managing your space and your attention on Discord. Whether it's to concentrate better or simply enjoy a bit of quiet, muting is a feature designed to enhance your Discord experience without stepping on anyone's digital toes. And there we have it. A serene and distraction-free Discord session is at your fingertips. It's amazing how a simple click can bring peace to your digital world. Whether you're here for work, play, or a bit of both, remember that Discord is your space to curate. Use the mute feature wisely and ensure your online communications are as pleasant and productive as they can be. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has helped you master the art of muting on Discord. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks that help you navigate your digital world with ease.